Cayenne begins to shed its skin and stops being a luxury SUV. We've done the dreaming. Now it's time to build. We begin at the gear shop. Their job? Reinforce the car from the inside out. The first step? An FIA-compliant roll cage, welded in bar by bar. A cage like this ties the chassis together. It stiffens the entire body, eliminates flex, and makes the car more precise over rough ground by transforming how it handles. While we're there, the gear shop created a custom light bar fitted to the tow hook. It's brutally bright, over 18,000 lumens of concentrated daylight. It's exactly what you want when you're navigating a stage in the dark. With the fabrication complete, the Cayenne returns to Porsche Centre Calgary. Our detail department is removing the decals and paint protection film. The exterior is going to be stripped, cleaned, and prepped. It's just a bare shell, ready for what's coming next.
Angel of darkness is upon you, stuck a need on your arm. So take another toke, have a blow for your nose. One more drink, fool, would drown you. Ooh, that smell. Can't you smell that smell? Ooh, that smell. The smell of death around you. Stick them needles in your arm. I've been there before.
From there, it heads to Cosmos Collision, one of our Porsche certified collision centers. They were our partners in the last competition and have offered their services for the Buggy. The factory sunroof, gone. No glass, no gaps, just solid steel from edge to edge. It's going to stiffen the roof, strengthen the shell, and close the last gap between this car and the desert it was destined for. With the cage in and the roof sealed, this will no longer be a road car. This is part of the process that no one talks about. No glamour, no big reveals, just quiet, meticulous work. But this is what makes a rally car. Coming up next, the full reveal, then testing, because Dakar doesn't care about clean welds or clever edits. It only respects what makes it to the finish line.